Uh, this is going to be a random little music video, and I don't know what songs I'm going to do, but I will find out sooner or later. I'm guessing my Adam Lambert one was the best one, but I'm gonna go back and look at other songs that I can do, and my hair looks horrible. Um, yeah, we'll see what happens then. This is part of a Falling in Reverse video, and people always say, how can you talk that fast? I can. Reason here is to tell you the truth that your running is near all please look at yourself in the mirror. It's simple thing to do it very clear. You will be coming because of the fact that you're coming, that's enough. So, what have you done today? I know it's morning.
I'm sitting there and talk politics before I went to the bathroom.
Yeah, I know. She argues with you a lot. I was gonna make a random music video. You wanna pick a song for me?
No, dear, that's okay. I've got a lot to do today if I'm going to do anything this afternoon.
Yeah, I know we should tour the town.
Those clothes right there are going to get picked up and thrown away.
I know, but all those clothes aren't dirty.
Well, they're dirty now?
I know. And when we tour the town, I'll take pictures and I can post them post them? You know, like, yeah, I'll do that.
The reason why I chose this was because it was a highly accredited
For you guys
school.
that like Ronnie
The
Reinke and
instructors were
Andy
wonderful.
Biersack.
They really worked with you.
But that's what it says.
Were great. They made it easier to complete my education without
No,
interfering with
just
my
making a
personal
random
life.
little video.
His girlfriend.
I got an insane class, you mean though. I was fucking juggle holes. I'm in nature, but I never want to date her, but she's like the son of Bucker, because I always gotta chase her. I'm involved with a one-night stand. You didn't set it down, you didn't understand. I'm officially stable, and I just believe me. I'll see you, mommy, anyone I meet, but I hate my fucking mother. Motherfucker is weak. No, I need is a fucking freak. And screaming that I would be. We were out to dinner, went and tried to kiss her, opened up the eyes, fucking bitch was checking Twitter, ladies, and another food. Oh, I lost my fucking mind. It happens all the time. I can't stand myself. I'm an asshole, baby. With fashionably late. I'm the one you love to hate. 'Cause I can't stand myself. I'm an asshole, baby. I'm an asshole, baby. I'm an asshole, baby. In 2006, I was always labeled as a goddamn prick. And I said, I'm back at it. And I said, wash that lip. And his face always sound the same. Fucking language, you fucking lyrics. I will do some other video later. I'm being interrupted, and I don't like it. That was embarrassing, by the way, guys.